Hello viewers, welcome to another project demo by Project Maker. In this video, I will be demonstrating you my new machine learning project, which is advanced car price prediction. So before starting this video, if you have not watched this basic car price prediction project, then do watch that. I have provided basic details of my advanced car project in this video. If you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon to watch my video first. So without wasting any time, let's start with our project demo. I have hosted this advanced car price prediction project on Python anywhere. So I will just open new tab and just type adityawarkar123.com. So as you can see, this is my advanced car price prediction project with GUI. I used a Flask in this application. I have created a linear regression model of this project which predict the car price when the user fills the given details, as you can see. So let's talk about the simple and attractive interface. So first is the heading of my project, which is car price predictor, and the tagline to this project, that is predict your car's resale value, which means that if you want to sell your car or buy second-hand car, you can use this predictor project. There are various fields in this project, as you can see, such as the company name of car, car model, select year of purchase, and select fuel type of car, and the last one is enter number of kilometers traversed by car. So let's make a demo of our project. So I will simply select company here, and as you can see, there are a lot of companies I have listed here, as you can see. So I will simply check force, and as you can see, the models related to force companies appear here. So there are only two models of force company. So now let's choose another one. So I will select Audi, and as you can see, the models related to only Audi are appear here. So now let's check Audi A8 model. Now select the year of purchase. So I have written year from 1995 to 2018 because my dataset contains car details till year 219 only. So I will just select 218 and the fuel type. Now let's select the fuel type of car. The fuel type of car is diesel, LPG or petrol. So now let's select diesel and the enter number of kilometers traveled by car. So let's say 4,80,000. So I will just take 4,80,000, as you can see, and I will just hit on this predict button. So as you can see, the result has appeared in front of me, which is around 9,69,144 rupees, as you can see, because the model is too old. Now let's make another prediction. This time I will select BMW. So the car model companies has automatically changed, as you can see. So let's check BMW 7 Series. The purchase, let's make it 219, and diesel, let it be diesel only, fuel type, and the distance, let's make it only 50,000. So now let's click on this button to see the magic. As you can see, the price is around 18,94,705 rupees, which is around 90 to 95% accurate. So this is my entire project. Now let's get the basic idea about the backend of this project, means how I implemented this project. I have uploaded this project on my GitHub profile. I will show you my GitHub profile. So this is my GitHub repo. To download the project, you can simply click download zip button here, and the zip file will be downloaded in your system, and then just unzip the file and just run the project using main.py file. If you face any queries while performing this operation, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section. Now let's talk about the project. So here are few folders, which is static and templates, which include my background image and CSS and HTML file. The next is linear regression model.pkl. So this is our model which predicts the price of the car when we provide certain inputs. This is readme file, which is this file. Next is car price prediction Jupyter file. I will just open the Jupyter file to show you the accuracy of my model. So I have done basic steps of data cleaning in this project. This is all the process that I have did, and finally the accuracy of my model is around 85%, as you can see, which is here. So our model predicts the car price 85% accurately. After predicting the accuracy, I have simply imported pickle, dump the entire model in linear regression model .pkl file, which is this file. After that, this is the exact database that I use, and this is the clean car database which I have created after performing data cleaning operations. And lastly is the main.py file, which is simply main file of the project. Now let's move back to our project. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.